Hi, we're the girls from Kukla's Cuisina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Jackie.
And we are back now talking about our Scallion-Zucchini Pancake Sideline. So you're going to love this one. This is a great and very versatile kind of sideline that we're doing.
It's got great veggies in it.
It does. And you'll see it doesn't take very long. I mean, we chopped up some scallions and we shredded some zucchini. Now, you can't just add your shredded zucchini to the batter because it is, zucchini gets very wet. It has a lot of water in it. So Jackie's going to squeeze out the water from our zucchini.
And if you have a potato ricer, you can also put it in there and squeeze it out.
Right.
So whatever's easier for you.
Yeah. And you'll see some water comes out of it. This has been sitting for a little bit. So the water probably got to the bottom.
Yeah.
So you're probably fine at the top, and then at the bottom it's going to be some water.
Okay.
And then here we're starting our batter, and we have some flour and a little bit of baking powder that we sifted together. And to that we're going to add some water just to make a nice batter. And just whisk it together until you get a nice smooth, until you get a nice smooth batter. There we go.
Okay.
That looks good. And again, if you're just whisking it together, you can get some of those lumps out. And then what we want to do is...
We're going to add a couple of eggs to that. So whisk your eggs together using your same whisk because it's all going in the same place. You just want to lightly beat them.
Okay.
And I see Jackie's getting some of the liquid out of there.
Yeah, she's getting liquid now. Okay, and just whisk in your eggs to your batter mixture. So our batter part is ready. And as soon as Jackie is done, we're going to add some chopped parsley and some chopped dill to our mixture here. Good job, Jack. This is always the worst part of the zucchini. It's getting the liquid out. Okay, there we go. And let's add our parsley and our dill. And we have our grill pan that is warming. To that we're going to add some olive oil. And you don't want it to be too hot because your little pancakes are going to burn. Great, now let's add our batter to this. Do a little bit of salt and pepper. And season it to your taste. We're going to make a couple of these pancakes for Jackie without our cheese, but we do have some crumpled feta that we're going to also use. Okay. Now we're just going to spoon them on our nice hot grill. Go ahead. And flatten them out. There we go. We want them to look like pancakes.
Good. Feta time.
So you want to flatten them down.
And keep in mind that the larger pan you use, the faster you'll get done.
Okay, we're going to let those cook now. And here we have our Scallion Zucchini Pancake. Scallion-Zucchini.
Scallion-Zucchini.